Hello, I'm Sunny-chan. I'm here in Haeundae, in Busan. I'm now taking Marin apartment 84 type. And now I'm going to following this hallway and let's introduce your Korean apartment. Now you can see the shoe closet, shoe rack, you say. English say shoe rack. And fridge rack. And opposite side they have some closet also, storage closet I think. In Korea normally the apartment structure like 4 bay, 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom. It's like a room and living room and room, master room I think. So that's why 1 2 3 4 bay. Now I'm showing the public bathroom. It's like normally designed by like this. Now it's just gray tone, gray color and white. You can see Korean apartment. This one is the new one. Brand new, cause now people just moving out. And this one is room 1. And following hallway, you can see next room like this, and also got the closet like this one. Can put clothes and blanket and something like that, and can put that way the bed. I think it's maybe it can put single, twin or queen. Anyway, room 2, and then show the living room like this. Korean people usually like this, use the polishing tile and can set up the TV here and internet or something like that. And over opposite side, that one is the air conditioner, set up this way. And other thing, I think the Korean people like living in apartment because it's safety and they're managed by the office. And then now I saw some kitchens. Here is a dining area. Can take the table, dining table, put here, and maybe can put 4 chairs. And here, do you know why this have two space? One for fridge, other one for, must be I think the kimchi fridge. And then here's kitchen. Usually use this one for woman. Can watch the TV or can hear the radio and something else. And then there is kitchen. This gas stove. 1 2 3, and maybe this one should be electronic oven. And here is fan. Right, good. Here is sink. Quite new one. And like this one. Okay, let's open it. Like this. It's usual. Oh, maybe this one? Nothing. Anyway, here. Okay. And then I will show some view. This one's actually ocean view. There are many yachts in front of this apartment. Like that. Wow. It's first time I'm in Busan and I saw the yacht. I think the Haeundae is famous in Busan, and many foreigners come here for sightseeing and something like that. Can view the bridge. That bridge also famous, I think. You can see this around here. You can see like that. Must be nice. See, it's quite good. Okay, so let's go master room. The normal in the master room is bigger than the other rooms, and also got the laundry space right here. Let's see, can take the laundry machine over there and put some stuff. Okay. There is a powder room and bathroom and closet like that. This one is normal Korean apartment. They're like 84 type, everyone, I think, cause it's not big and it's not small. It's I think just people like that, this size. Anyway, okay, I finished this video. Bye bye.